Hello everyone. Teachers are teaching in an online environment, and creative teachers, they work on using online websites for generating worksheets. Quick worksheets can be generated. So here we have Hema Kapoor ma'am, who would be sharing with us some websites from where we can generate worksheets for online classes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll talk about an important learning tool to generate online worksheets. Worksheets are an effective tool in encouraging students to engage their brains during class. Worksheets can also help students learning out of the class. We know that worksheets are very important in teaching learning process. We all are using these worksheet as an assessment tool. Basically, through these worksheets, we can check students' previous knowledge, their progress, and the way how they are learning. And from last week, we have learned about many assessment tools like quizzes, Flipgrid, crossword, etc. And all these are creative form of worksheets. There are many online tools which quickly generate ready-to-use printable worksheets for reinforcing the concept and test students' comprehension. Moreover, the answer key for these worksheets also get generated by these online tools. And one such tool is Microsoft Worksheet Generator, which is very easy to use and quickly generates worksheets for all purposes and also helps students to strengthen their lesson understanding. So the attempt has been made to discuss about few apps and websites which can help to quickly generate maths worksheets. These worksheets require student participation by offering various types of questions such as fill-ups, short answer, multiple choice, and many more. Uh, so teachers, we can, using these tools, we can make these online worksheets more interactive and engaging, which helps students to boost their memory retention and make learning fun. These apps and websites normally permits to generate PDF or MS Word editable worksheets. These worksheets can be shared with students online as it is PDF or after editing in MS Word to suit the need of the student and then generating PDF for sharing further. Worksheet generator tool. This slide is showing desktop app and maths worksheet reference websites and the download link for the same. For example, you can see here homeschool maths, helping with maths, maths goodies, etc. These are the tools that I'll be talking about. Okay, now is the Microsoft Maths Worksheet Generator. It's a desktop app which can be downloaded from the link given on the previous slide, and it is also visible here on the screen. Okay, now, so when you open that link, you will see this page. Here is the download link, and you will get the icon of Microsoft Worksheet Maths Worksheet generated like this on your desktop. After you have installed the app, this is how it looks. Here you can specify. Here you can specify the kind of maths problem that you want in your worksheet by either writing them down as an example, like it is written here, or you can select a sample problem from the drop-down menu. Also, you can specify the number of problems. If you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to reduce the problem, you can reduce it also. And then you have to simply click the create button. So this is the sample worksheet that I have created based on decimal number of multiplication. The good thing about this Microsoft Worksheet Generator is that it provides you answer sheet also. Like you can see here, the answer sheet also gets generated from this worksheet generator. As well as another good thing about this worksheet is an MS Word document which simply means that you can edit it. For example, here I have edited the topic. Like in the original one, the worksheet is having the name only and the questions. But as it is an MS Word document, so I can edit anything I can want. I want the space, I can go for the space also. If I want to edit the topic, I can edit the topic also. These are more sample worksheet, which is division of decimals, and sample worksheets of simplification of fractions and decimal. These all I have created from Microsoft Worksheet Generator within a second. So next is, there is another tool which everybody knows, and from where we can generate the worksheet, that is the online website. And the first one is Helping with Maths. These are the sample worksheet from this website. And you can also generate worksheets like this one, which is based on fraction. And the another one is also, which is also based on fraction, in which we can convert in proper fraction into mixed number, and the equivalent fractions simplification. You can also generate these worksheet uh, with the, I'll give you the demonstration of the same, and you will also be able to generate these types of worksheets. Next website is homeschoolmaths.net. This is another website where you can generate free printable maths worksheet. Like you can see here, a lot of creative options are there. As you can see, the first one is area perimeter worksheet, which is a grid style worksheet. And the second one is visual representation based on equivalent fractions. And the next one is crossword puzzle and many more puzzles. This website, which is mathgoodies.com, is a fun learning experience for the students. The teacher can give the link of this website to the students, and then students can perform the task and share the result as a PDF document with the teacher. Means the students can perform all the tests or worksheets on with online worksheets only. The next one is edugames.org. This is also free maths game website, and here you can find a lot of maths game which helps students to learn in a fun and interactive way. Here I have created the games like Sudoku, Bingo. You can create as many cards as you want, and then the answer sheet. This website create different types of worksheets also as a conversion. You can see here conversion of fraction, decimal, and percentage, measuring angles with protractor, and the secret trail of number, where the student has to find the trail of number that sums up to the number given in the last box. As you can see here, they will find the trail of the numbers that sums up to the number given in the last box, and here it is 53, and in the next it is 63. The last one is maths8.com. This is again another very quick worksheet generator website, and I have created two worksheets from here. One of naming of angle in different ways, and the other one is of prime factorization. So teachers, apart from these, there are many more websites from where we can generate quickly printable maths worksheet, which helps students to think critical and build their logic skills. For example, there is a free app, iExcel Learning app, and that is specially designed to build confidence in students, where students can learn at their own pace and they can practice variety of questions. Also, this app enables all types of learners to reach their full potential. So that's all for today. Now I'll demonstrate how to use these websites.